As you've probably gathered by following the variety of topics in this course, the world of machine learning encompasses a broad set of ideas and methods, and the field itself continues to advance rapidly. So the goal of a survey course like this one is to cover the most important basic concepts and visit a few of the more important and interesting areas, and hopefully inspire you enough to continue exploring after you finish the course. I've put together this course so it's not only a source of lectures and assignments, but also a collection of useful readings you can draw on based on my experience in this area that I've chosen for you as good starting points to continue your learning in different aspects of machine learning. By now we've covered quite a bit of ground, starting with an understanding of the general concepts and workflow of applied machine learning, and then getting some exposure to a variety of learning algorithms for important tasks like classification and regression, along with an understanding of the important parameters that control model complexity for these algorithms. You should now have a better understanding of critical problems like overfitting and data leakage, along with an idea for some strategies you can use for detecting and avoiding these problems. We've covered how machine learning algorithms are evaluated and how to tune their parameters to optimize different evaluation criteria that may be appropriate for different tasks. Finally, we've applied these ideas with the help of notebook examples and assignments to gain more experience with a very powerful machine learning library in Python, scikit-learn. I want to say something briefly about an important family of machine learning tasks that we've touched on in this course, but didn't focus on specifically, and that is machine learning that involves text. This includes problems such as email spam detection and classifying web pages by topic. The course following this one in our data science series focuses specifically on text mining and machine learning with text. So if you have a particular interest in diving into the use of natural language processing with machine learning, I encourage you to check it out. Thanks for your interest in this course. I've really enjoyed putting together this tour through the fascinating field of machine learning. I hope this course helped you in some way along whatever path of exploration you might have. And as always, we welcome your feedback on any aspect of this course. Thank you, and all the best in your own future learning.